If you're trying to play Battlefield 6 and you keep getting the DXGI error device hung DirectX error, here are the fixes you should try. This usually happens when the game forces your GPU to crash, so let's go through the solutions that work for most players. Start by updating your graphics drivers. Open your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel control panel and check for the latest driver update. Install the update, restart your PC, and launch the game again. Outdated or corrupted drivers are the #1 cause of this error. If the error still appears, lower your in-game graphics settings. Set textures, effects, mesh quality, and post-processing to medium or low, and turn off motion blur and ray tracing if you're using it. Battlefield 6 can push GPUs really hard, so reducing the load often stops a crash instantly. Another fix that works well is running the game in DirectX 11 instead of DirectX 12. Open your Battlefield 6 settings or game launcher, switch the rendering option to DX11, save the changes, and restart the game. DX11 is more stable for a lot of players experiencing this error. You should also disable GPU overclocking. If you're using MSI Afterburner or any overclocking tool, reset your GPU to default clock speeds. Even factory overclocked cards can trigger this crash, so running at stock speeds is the best way to test stability. If nothing helps, try repairing the game files. Open your launcher, use the Verify or Repair option, and let it scan for corrupted files. Missing or broken DirectX files can also trigger this error, and the repair tool will fix them automatically. And finally, make sure Windows is up to date. Install the latest updates and reboot your system. Battlefield 6 relies on updated DirectX components, so running old versions can cause this crash. That's how you fix the DXGI error device hung DirectX error in Battlefield 6. If this helped you, make sure to check out the other Battlefield 6 fixes on the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.